उसी गैस से, ये देख
डाला उससे जला, देख हाँ हुई अभी। नहीं वो वाला पेड़ है ना, हाँ हाँ, अब वहाँ से डालो, उस पेड़ के बीच से डालो।
So yesterday we came in pretty late. There's a beach just beyond that. So this is Nihalam Bay State Park. It's full of RVs and small trailers. It's a nice place, but it's too windy. So now we are heading back to home, but it'll take us another 3 days to reach home. Meanwhile, we're going to visit the places which we missed because of the fog. बहुत बड़ा रिजर्वायर है ये. So finally we are saying bye to Oregon coastline because we are stuck in the fog and we can't see any scenic ways, nor we can see the coast we missed or the beaches we missed. So I think Rich has planned a different way. We are going via Portland to Bear Lake and then we'll reach our home. So yeah, it's a sudden change of plan, but I think everything is planned by the God. It would be great. It's 4:30 in the morning and we are on the way to Boise. Just driving alongside Columbia River and across the Washington state. Abu's monster truck. Oh! We just visited Shoshone Falls and the water level is pretty low. So it was good. Not as we expected. Road trip there have been so many sudden changes in the plan, but this is going to be the final one. We were supposed to go to Bear Lake on the last day of our trip, but we have just cut short the last day and we are going to our home, Salt Lake City. It's because of two reasons. The reason number one, while we were camping in the coastal area, the temperatures were around 50 degree Fahrenheit. But all of a sudden, while we are in Twin Falls, Idaho, the temperatures are around 90 degree Fahrenheit, which is extreme, and it's becoming too uncomfortable while sleeping in the car. And the second reason is that the distance from Idaho to Salt Lake City and from Idaho to Bear Lake is more over same. So basically we are coming back to near Salt Lake City and going again back to the mountains. So there was no point in that, and that too in the extreme summer. So we'll definitely come back in fall or springtime to the Bear Lake. We'll make a camping plan there. Until then, this was the trip, and we thoroughly enjoyed it, every part of it. And I think it gave us a real experience what dispersed camping is, how camping can take wrong turns if you don't plan it wisely. But yeah, so that is, and that's it. Hey Zabu, disturbing the whole video. See you. Bye.